Let's talk about an ileostomy. An ileostomy is a surgical opening into the ileum, the last part of the small intestine. Now, this surgery brings about big changes to how the body handles digestion. So let's start by taking a look at what normally happens in the GI tract. When we eat, the food travels down our esophagus and into our stomach, where it's stored and churned and mixed with digestive enzymes. Next, it enters into the small intestines, where the enzymes from the liver and the gallbladder and the pancreas continue breaking the food down. You can say the small intestine eats for us because that's where the nutrients and the vitamins are going to be absorbed. And it's a very strong, acidic, and active environment. Think about it. This is where steak and cabbage and pasta, they're all being melted down, liquefied into usable fuel. From there, what's left is going to move into the large intestine or the colon. Now, if the small intestine eats for us, the colon, it drinks for us. It absorbs the water and the liquids from the foods that we eat. And the more colon a person has, the more opportunity for absorption their body's going to have. Finally, the remaining waste exits through the rectum and the anus. Let's talk. In an ileostomy, the surgeon separates the GI tract in the ileum. That's the lower end of the small intestine. So after separating it, the other end is either going to be removed or completely closed off. The open end is going to be brought out through a new incision made in the front of the abdominal wall. So the intestine is brought out, folded over, and sutured down to the body, creating a stoma. Now, it's very important to note with an ileostomy, that person no longer has their colon drinking for them anymore. And so they're going to need to take in extra fluids to avoid dehydration. Again, this is an ileostomy.